We're at Northwich Asphalt, so we produce probably about 80 to 100,000 tonne a year of asphalt for all the major highways, road networks in the country. So we have conveyors that run from our cold feed bins, which store all our aggregate stone, that run up into our dryer. What we found our main problem is where it goes into the dryer, we were getting a lot of spillage. So the lads were having to clean up every day. No one wants to be cleaning up at the end of the day for half an hour now. We're either using a mini digger or wheelbarrows and shovels. So one of my colleagues was visiting the site, and he's seen how the troubles we were having with spillage in that area. So he put me on to ProSpare, to said they probably have a solution for me. So obviously I contacted ProSpare and they put me onto their belt cleaner. So we've trialled that here, and it's been a game changer for us, to be fair.
This is Starclean, and Starclean's quite different insofar as each of the individual blade segments are tensioned separately. They have their own spring. This mounting foot acts as a spring, and if we've got 9 blades, as I think we have at this site, you've basically got 9 separate springs. From a belt cleaning point of view and a reduction of the carryback point of view, the fact that the blades are independently sprung is absolutely critical, because it doesn't matter if the outside blades aren't worn, the centre blades will continue to make contact with the belt and effectively clean it. It's got a ratchet device on the side that really simplifies maintenance, speeds it up, makes it safer, because within seconds you can disengage the blades for cleaning, and you can then re-engage very simply using a 36mm spanner, click it back into place, and then you're good to go. So reduces downtime. Well, in the same way that the blades can be tensioned onto the belt independently, what it also means is, conversely, that works both ways. They can spring away from the belt, and that's important from a belt safety point of view, because if there is some damage to the belt or the lagging, it means that the blades can actually go in the opposite direction and move away, again, independently, and that's a really big advantage in terms of protecting the belt. Another clever aspect to this design is that it's fully modular. So using basically only the same 3 or 4 components, then we can configure the scraper in a whole variety of different ways to solve a whole variety of different problems. Let's just say the materials on site change. It allows us, we could change out these blades here, which started out as PU. If it's more appropriate over time, we could put full tungsten blades onto the scraper if they're using a more aggressive material or volumes increase. So we've got the flexibility to change that without changing the whole scraper. But also we've got the opportunity then to completely reconfigure it and go to a secondary design of scraper where we reposition it slightly under the belt. And if that was the case, again, we just use basically the same components. We don't have to keep supplying new scrapers.
With the old scrapers we used to have, they were really awkward to clean and maintain. Where the new belt scraper, it can be done in 10 minutes at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, or every couple of days, you go in, give it a clean, 10 minutes work, and it's cleaned, it's done. So that stopped all the spillage, basically. Since installing a new belt cleaner over the last 3 years, we've probably saved 350 hours of cleaning, not cleaning alone. I run 2 sites, so it's worked that well at this site. I've also put the same belt scraper on at my other site, and it's working just as good over there.